Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the hidden stories behind your favorite dishes. Today, we're diving into one of Southeast Asia's most beloved street foods, martabak. You might think you know this delicious treat, but we've got some unknown facts that will surprise you. Let's get started. Did you know that the word martabak comes from the Arabic word mutabaku, which means folded? It makes sense when you think about it, since martabak is usually made by folding the dough over the filling. But here's the twist. There are actually two main types of martabak, savory and sweet. And they're both folded, but in totally different ways. In Indonesia, savory martabak is often called martabak telur, while the sweet version is known as martabak manis, or terang bulan, which translates to bright moon, because of its round shape. Martabak might be a popular street food in Indonesia, but its origins actually trace back to the Arabian Peninsula and India. It was brought to Southeast Asia by Indian Muslim traders, who adapted it to local tastes. Over time, martabak evolved differently in each country, which is why you'll find unique versions in Malaysia, Singapore, and Thailand too. In Malaysia, it's called murtabak, and is usually stuffed with minced meat and eggs. In Thailand, they've got roti martabak, which is similar but often includes curry flavors. Here's a fun fact. There's a bit of a debate over the name, martabak manis. Some regions in Indonesia insist on calling it terang bulan, while others stick with martabak manis. The controversy is so strong that in some places, you might get corrected if you use the wrong name. The difference in names often comes down to local pride and traditions, but whatever you call it, we can all agree it's delicious. Now martabak is one of the most popular street foods in Indonesia. But here's the kicker, it's so popular that some vendors sell out within hours of opening. And it's not just a quick snack. Martabak is often bought to share with family or friends, making it a social food that brings people together. In fact, some vendors have become local legends, known for their secret recipes and special techniques passed down through generations. Finally, martabak has gone through a bit of a flavor revolution recently. While the traditional fillings are still popular, modern vendors have started experimenting with all kinds of crazy flavors. From Nutella and Oreo in martabak manis to cheese and spicy chicken in martabak telur, the possibilities are endless. Some places even offer fusion versions like matcha or red velvet martabak. Who knows what they'll come up with next? In some upscale restaurants, it's become a status symbol. High-end versions of martabak are now served with gourmet ingredients like truffle oil, wagyu beef, and imported cheeses. These fancy martabak variations can cost several times more than the street version, making them a luxurious treat for those looking to indulge. While martabak is typically enjoyed as an evening snack, but in some places, it's also eaten for breakfast. Especially in rural areas or small towns, some vendors start their day early, offering a simpler, lighter version of martabak to morning commuters. This breakfast martabak is usually less sweet or savory, making it a perfect match with a cup of coffee or tea to kickstart the day. Speaking of coffee, martabak and coffee have become an iconic pairing in Indonesia. Many coffee shops now offer martabak as a side dish, especially the sweet martabak manis. The rich, buttery flavor of martabak pairs beautifully with the bold taste of Indonesian coffee. It's the ultimate comfort combo, perfect for a relaxing afternoon or a late-night treat. In recent years, there's been a growing awareness of the environmental impact of street food packaging, and martabak vendors are no exception. Some vendors have started using eco-friendly packaging, like banana leaves or recycled paper, to reduce waste and promote sustainability. This shift is part of a larger movement towards sustainable street food, proving that even traditional dishes can adapt to modern challenges. Martabak has made its way into pop culture, becoming a symbol of comfort and nostalgia in many Indonesian films and TV shows. It's often depicted as the go-to snack for characters going through tough times or celebrating small victories, making it a beloved part of Indonesian storytelling. Its presence in popular media highlights just how ingrained martabak is in Indonesian culture, not just as food but as an emotional touchstone. In recent years, martabak has been reimagined for the vegan crowd. Traditional recipes are being modified with plant-based ingredients, such as tofu or tempeh in place of eggs and meat, and coconut milk in the batter. This just goes to show how martabak continues to evolve with changing dietary trends while still retaining its delicious essence. Martabak isn't just eaten on the go. It also plays a significant role in various local festivals and celebrations. During festive seasons, such as Ramadan, martabak is often enjoyed as a special treat after fasting, and vendors may introduce limited-time flavors or special deals to mark the occasion. It's a food that brings people together, especially during times of celebration, making it more than just a snack. It's a part of the festive tradition. Believe it or not, there are some superstitions around martabak. In certain areas, it's believed that eating martabak on a particular day can bring good luck, while others think that giving martabak as a gift can help mend a broken relationship. Whether you believe in these superstitions or not, it's fascinating to see how martabak has woven itself into the cultural fabric beyond just being a tasty treat. So there you have it. Some unknown facts about martabak that make this street food even more fascinating. Next time you're enjoying a piece of this folded delight, you can impress your friends with these fun tidbits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more delicious content.